Hi everyone, and welcome to Ohio Valley Couponer. Happy Thanksgiving to all of you on this great Thanksgiving morning. I got up at 8 o'clock and I did do my shopping. I went to Rite Aid and had such a good time over there. Now I'm going to be honest with you, Rite Aid, I'm not 100% sure what happened on the Pert Infusium. He did something kind of weird with price modifying. I just know I paid what I thought I was going to pay. So the receipt is very strange. I'm not sure what he did there, but we ended up getting it taken care of, and I paid what I thought I was going to pay. Had a really good trip today. Net cost, if you're just going off the true net cost of what I paid in rewards, or the subtotal and rewards back, it's a little bit more than I would have liked, but I really only, cash-wise, I did really, really good. So I took a dive in points for sure, or bonus cash for sure. But it's all good with me because I got a lot of stuff we use. And I'm going to get some rebates back, which is always fun. Okay, so I'm just going to go down the line of what I did. First up, I grabbed 4 boxes of Kleenex. I used a 50 cents off a 3 coupon. That came in a previous insert. I'm sorry, I don't remember the date. I know the rest of the coupons, I think. So, I paid $3.50 and got back $2 in bonus cash. So it made these $1.50 for 4 boxes of tissues. Phenomenal. The Big Win water, I grabbed this. They're just $1.75, which is a phenomenal price for bottled water. The GE LED light bulbs, they are $7. You get back $7 in bonus cash. There's $1 Ibotta rebates, so it makes those a moneymaker. That's limited to, limit 2. Everything's pretty much limited to. The Ludens are $1. I had a 75% off a 2 printable coupon. The Butterfingers are, how much are they? 2 for $1. You get $1 back when you buy 2. The Scutzies are $3, and you get $3 in bonus cash. The Dunkin' Donuts coffee was $4.99. I had a $2 load coupon and a $1 savings star, so $1.99. The Sparkles are 2 for $10. I used 2 of the 150 coupons. I'm pretty sure those came in the 11 for Retail Me Nots. So I paid $7. I got $2 in bonus cash, so it makes it $5, and I'll get $1.50 from Savings Star. So it's $3.50 for these 2 packs of paper towels. And look for the bonus ones. Alright, the extra, this is awesome, $1.99. I had 2 loaded card coupons. I had a $1 manufacturer and a $1 Rite Aid coupon, and they both came off. I just loaded them both, and they both came off. So a free bottle of detergent. I'll come back to that at the end. I grabbed this Colgate toothbrush. It's $4. There is a $2 in-app coupon. There's a $1 loaded card. So I paid $1, and I got a $1 bonus cash. This is awesome. The Magnavox earbuds. These are $6, and you get back $6 in bonus cash, making them free. The toothpaste is $3.50 at a 50-cent manufacturer and a $3 in-app coupon. And then the Pert Infusium, these are 5 for $10. All right, we got $2 coupons and the 11 for Smart Source. Now they worked just fine. The Infusium, the Pert ones beat. And I thought he just entered in, but he did a price modifying. I'm not exactly sure what that did. I don't know if I know I paid about the right price, so I'm pretty sure it all evened out to be free. Even if it's not, it's okay. I'm happy with it. I don't know. He rang stuff up kind of weird. I don't know why he just didn't enter the coupons as $2, but he price modified it instead. But it's all good. I'm happy with it. So, but if you're just getting the Infusium, 5 for $10, you use 5 of those coupons, that'll be free. And the Pert should be free, just a note, you're going to have to enter that in. So, true net cost is $14.35. You're gonna get back. I out of pocket paid $7.20, and I got back $4.50 in rebates. So I only lost $2.70 in cash. Now I understand it didn't really cost $2.70. It really was a net cost of $14.35 with tax. But it's good on the budget to pay. To lose only $2.70 for all this stuff. But like I said, net cost is more than that. I'm happy with it either way. This is all stuff we're going to use at phenomenal prices. So yeah, that is all that I have now for Rite Aid. Stay tuned. CVS should also be out by the time you see this. I did really good at CVS also. So yeah, happy Thanksgiving, and thank you so much for watching.